Hi, welcome to Completely Cricket. In this video, we're going to see about completely about Sheikh Zayed Stadium, Abu Dhabi pitch report. In regarding pitch report, we're going to talk about how the batsman will perform, how bowler will perform, what kind of batsman will play better shots, what the shot selection will be the more suitable in this kind of pitch, which bowler will perform better in all types of bowler. Everything we're going to analyze in detail with the help of the pitch report and data. We got a first thing we're going to see about nature of the pitch, how the pitch will react to the ball. That is a very important thing. In case of any cricket match, we need to analyze what kind of pitch will play a role. Whatever the batsman may be, whatever his strength may be, he can become hero on the day, he can become zero on the day. It's everything is 80% because of the pitch condition only. So in first thing in the Sheikh Zayed pitch is, and actually in all pitches in UAE, in Dubai are slow pitches only. In that Sheikh Zayed will little flat. It will give you little bounce apart from the other two pitches. The next thing is artificial grass is used. It will help some pace for medium pacers and fast bowlers. But anyhow, the ball will come very slow to the bat. The next thing is it is a large ground, so scoring is very difficult. So batsmen need to run very hard to take runs. Because the diagonal is so large in kind of pitches, you need to run very fast, and running between the wickets is very important. The middle over will be the very crucial parts. The weather, how the weather will affect the pitch, we can't say by now, man. So in every day before the match day, we will give you the prediction on Dream 11 with the help of how the weather on the day will help the match. So middle over is very crucial. As before I said that the running between the wickets is very important in this kind of pitch. The clay used is Australian, England and Pakistan. They used three kind of clay. In those conditions, they use mainly Pakistan clay. Everyone knows that this is a home ground for Pakistan, so it will help. You can see, just go to the back of your memories. The Walker Yunis coming, the Wasim Akram coming, the beautiful length deliveries, the swinging inside, swinging outside, everything happen in Pakistan, man. The same kind of pitch is here. So how it will help the faces in case of swingers, cutters and spin bowlers? You think I will explain it later. Next is the base compaction, what the organic material is used to, what kind of the compaction is, what solid proportions, and everything give you little bounce on that. I don't go deep into this, but it will give you bounce. Next thing is any pitch, the statistical data is whatever the pitch condition, whatever we report maybe we give, that is natural of the pitch will bounce, the swing, everything. But on the day, the players can make the magics, which is the pitches. So statistical data is very important before you going to any match. So statistical data is the pitch will maximum favorable for the chasing. Why? Because the dew factor will play quite little harder role in these matches. The second batting will have an higher percentage of winning, the 57% according to the last few year records. The par score will be 190 plus is played gettable at only one time, 170 to 189 is 2 times, 150 to 169 is 3 times, and below 150 score is 5. So exactly in first 5 or 3 matches the pitch will be very fresh, so we will accept 170 to 180 score, that is very gettable. The average score is 147, the highest score is 205, the lowest score is 70. For according to our analysis, for first 3 matches, we will get 160 to 170, but later on we can't say it exactly. When 2 or 3 matches played on this pitch, we will give you complete detail on that. So next one is batsman will perform based on these conditions. The openers need to grab gaps. So it is a big ground. They need to time the ball very hardly. It's very softly. And the timing the ball is very important in this kind of pitch. So it will give you need to pick the gaps at the very start of the inning. So if he can fire, the runs will be keep on ticking. Then is a middle order stands and deliver. Middle order need to play in a very compact innings. They need to score runs, ones and twos. They can't get 4 and 6 easily, man. So they need to go run between the wickets. Such kind of batsmen is very important in this kind of pitches. Power hitting needed. Yeah, need to clear such a long ground. The batsman need to hit very hard in power hitting batsmen are needed. So the more drives to play, even at the very end of the innings also, the power hitting batsmen are very crucial in this match. They need to clear the muscle power like Russell and so on and so on. So what will be the boundary percentage? The boundary percentage we give only expect the boundary percentage is 49% for a, and based on analysis we are saying for 8 balls we can see a boundary. So for example, openers like Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Dhawan will time the ball very perfectly though, so they can make magics. Manish Pandey and Hardik Pandya who can run between the wickets, they can play shots like little shots and all. The next one is Pollard and Russell, they have the muscle power, they can clear the boundaries very easily. So such kind of, this is not an thing we give you in every matches what kind of batsman will play a super role on the match. So it will help you to give a complete prediction on what team you choose while you picking your dream 11. So it is very important. So please, for that you need to subscribe and press bell icon for detailed updates. The next thing is how the bowler will perform. The bowler match is this all 3 counts are bowler paradise, man. Completely bowler paradise. Bowler going to enjoy the match completely except Sharjah because it is a shorter count. Based on this bowler performance chart, Chinaman will have 6.8 economy with the 20 average. Orthodox bowlers have 6.3 economy with the 23 average. Off breaker have 6.3 economy with the 25 average. Leg breakers have 6 economy with 3 average. Medium fast and fast bowlers have 7.2 and 6.5 economy with 23 average for both. In this case, the economy is more for medium fast bowlers and they have an average of 23. That is an average in this kind of pitch. So they will give run, but they pick more wickets. Then Chinamen also have a little effect on this ground. Then leg breakers will maintain an economy, but chance of getting wicket will be very less. It based on the bowler. If the bowler is very good, he can pick the wicket, but mostly medium faster will get more wickets. With the help of this analysis and some more deep work, we predict our Dream 11 team. Deep works likes the batsman uses bowler battle, how this batsman will play against this bowler and what kind of strategy he will going to use, what kind of shots he will play, and who is having more six hitting ability, in which match the opener will have high chance of scoring runs. So you can, based on that, you can pick your team easily. So with that analysis you can pick your own team, or you can subscribe us on YouTube for a more accurate prediction.